is a test of the fire alarm system. Please do not take any action.
Hello guys, Vinny1118 here for System Test 7 of the Gent Xenex fire alarm system. I'm on Skype with James Murphy. Say hi, James. Okay, well...
Hi guys!
There he is. He said hi, and I'm not going to put the panel into test... Actually, I will put the panel into test mode, I think, as not to make a racket. So... Panel is in test mode on...
Alright, that one got me that time. I was just not prepared for that beep.
Okay, right. Bedroom call point. If I can get the key in, it would help. It would help if I could put the key in. Wait for it again. Okay. Can I remove that before it goes back into alarm again? That's working.
That one got me as well. That was just... Oh, it got me right in the ears.
Right, I'm going downstairs to test it now.
Okay.
Let's by magic, we're downstairs. Right. Okay, call point downstairs. Roshni's in there. It is in test mode, so it will only sound for a short while. Okay, back upstairs. So I've heard the sounder go upstairs and downstairs. Right, now it's time to test the Apollo Series 65 smoke detector. I'll grab some deodorant. Righty here. We'll try some... what's that? We'll try some old...
Just use any deodorant, any deodorant will do.
I'm gonna try some Old Spice.
Okay.
That's one spray. Probably might take a second to activate. Maybe it won't activate at all.
Try it, Mark.
That didn't go into them. Come on. Okay, that went right into it.
You didn't disable that zone, did you? There we go.
I'll blow this stuff out.
That took some time.
Okay, made sure to blow all the air out of it so it won't reactivate. Right, and of course it reactivates.
Wave a towel what it was.
Yeah, I already did once. Well, anyway, should stop.
It's all clear.
I think it's stopped now. Okay, that's the. I'll just take it out of test mode now. What did I activate there? I haven't activated anything. Okay, now we'll sound the all clear tone.
Emergency has been resolved. It is safe to resume normal activities.
Okay, thanks for watching System Test 7. That was James Murphy you just saw on Skype. And the fire alarm system worked well.